We're going to look at another example of Qodo Agents in action. Today it's going to be a production app. This app is going to call from a user and get an error. And from that error, it's going to be a bad experience for this user. But never fear, we're going to have the Qodo agent actually think, create an RCA, document the bug in Jira, create a design and document it, implement this, push it to GitHub. From there, it's going to say it's done, create a pull request, and document everything along the way. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here's the actual app running, working perfectly. Could be a day, couple weeks. We don't want to sit and monitor. So we're going to go back, and someone's going to actually create a error. So they used the app and accidentally put an I instead of a 1. So this is just an example, but we went ahead and did that, and then the actual agent got notified and created the bug report for it already. After it's created a bug report, it analyzes the logs and it's actually given its input on what is the problem, and it's going to start an RCA. So you can see that it actually created a comment and started doing an RCA. And you can see a lot of information here about the different implementation steps it's going to suggest and what was the problem, some manual testing that might need to happen, and some risk and mitigation. From there, the agent is now started the implementation. So it's actually created a comment and started doing the implementation in Jira. We'll see we have no other best practices, so it's just going to follow Gradle and Java's best practices, and it's going to start implementing the process. Once it's done, it's going to start doing test executions, as you can see here, and it keeps on commenting Jira. Right now, it's also working in and doing pushes and working on code. So this is two things here right now. So we're actually showing now the code branch that was made. So Jira is just being updated just so you can see how it's thinking and how it's working and progressing. And then here's the actual work and progression. It noticed that we didn't even have a unit test. So it actually created a unit test that would have maybe fixed this or prevented this bug in the first place. But now we do have that unit test and also the fix. So from there, we're going to go ahead and look, and it created the PR. So now we have the PR, gives an in-depth reference to the Jira bug, all the changes it made, everything that it's done to go ahead and communicate with the Qodo merge agent, and that agent has picked it up and has validated the actual bug, and has even given a comment that said we might want to look at some of the responses to make sure they're valid. So from there, that is another example of Qodo agents in action. Thank you.